guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I received my giveaway prizes from DOTU Bricks. Also, he sent me a birthday gift. Let's check it out later. Here are my giveaway prizes. This Lego minifigure, Disney Series 2. And this Lego Dots bracelet. And this Lego Dots bag tags mega pack. And Everyone is Awesome Lego set. And now let's see the birthday present. This Jurassic World 76945 Atrociraptor Dinosaur Bike Chase. And Lego City 60326 Picnic in the Park. And I'm going to give this to my little sister. And now for the big birthday present. Whoa! Ooh, a card. Xianne TV, belated happy birthday. Happy building from DOTU Bricks. Thank you so much DOTU Bricks for all of this Lego set. I'm excited to build this. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. And make sure to check his YouTube channel DOTU Bricks. As soon he will open his own Briklink store. Thank you guys. And also shout out to Pophouse with Animal and James Road Toys for continuing supporting my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and remember, let our imagination works, enhance, build wonders. Bye guys!